In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Maps not working. If Google Maps won't load, shows a blank screen, or keeps glitching in your browser, this walkthrough will get you back on track. We'll start with a quick refresh, check your connection, and then clean out the browser data that most commonly causes Maps to misbehave. First, perform a hard refresh on Google Maps. This forces your browser to reload the page and ignore any outdated files it has stored. On Windows and Linux, use Ctrl plus F5 or Ctrl plus Shift plus R. On a Mac, press Shift plus Command plus R. Wait a few seconds to see if the map tiles, controls and your location details appear correctly. A simple hard refresh often clears minor loading errors without changing any other settings. Next, open another heavy site to confirm your internet is stable. Choose something that's content rich like a major news homepage or a video streaming site. If that site buffers endlessly or doesn't load images, the problem may be your connection rather than Google Maps. But if it loads quickly and smoothly, the issue is likely with cached data specific to maps in your browser. Now in your browser, click the three dots at the top right corner to open the main menu. Depending on your setup, this is where you'll find tools and privacy options. From there, select delete browsing data. You may see it directly or under history or privacy and security. We're going to clear the items that commonly cause maps to stall. When the dialog opens, choose cached images and files and cookies and other site data. Cached files are old copies of images and scripts that help sites load faster, but when they become corrupted or outdated, they can break features like maps. Cookies store site preferences and session info. Clearing them can resolve conflicts that prevent maps from loading or signing in properly. Keep in mind, removing cookies will sign you out of most websites, so you may need to log in again later. Set the time range to all time. This ensures you remove older data that could still interfere, not just the most recent items. Partial clears sometimes leave behind the exact files causing the problem. Finally, click Clear Data and let the process finish. Once it's done, return to Google Maps in your browser. The site should now pull fresh files from the server, which typically fixes blank tiles, infinite loading, or missing controls. If everything looks normal and loads quickly, you're all set. That's it, simple steps that reliably resolve most Google Maps loading issues in a browser. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back to navigating smoothly.